This is the RAK or rack magnetic pickup tool. It's also an LED flashlight. Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos. Now the little wifey wanted to get me this for Christmas because she knows that I frequently use a magnetic pickup tool to pick up things like wrenches and sockets, and I also carry a flashlight. So she thought this would be a good gift. What we have here is a clip so you could carry in your pocket. It's also slim enough to where you could probably put it in a holster and carry on your belt. It does, however, use LR44 batteries, which gave me a little bit of concern. But since they are LR44, I do buy those by the 10 pack for other reasons. And I was thinking I would have to cut these out of here and put them in the little flashlight before I could show you. But then I got a pleasant surprise when I opened this up and saw that it has a little thing here to remove, and it already has LR44 batteries in it. As you can see, it's working right away. Woo! The magnetic portion for picking up isn't just on one end, it's both on the flashlight end. You can be looking at what you're trying to pick up, and it telescopes and telescopes and telescopes and telescopes and telescopes. Woo! It gives you some length there for sure. And look at that. And then the back end is also a magnet. If you're thinking about carrying this all day, we want to know how much it weighs. 3.5 ounces. Now my most used magnetic pickup, which I can't telescope down, that's as short as it gets. Let's see how much it weighs. It's going to be tricky. 5.6 ounces compared to 3.4 ounces. Now how does that compare to the weight of my pocket flashlight? 4.5 ounces compared to 3.4. Now this pocket flashlight I use does have a magnet on the back, as does this, which comes in handy. You want to stick it to the bottom of the hood and let it shine down on what you're working on. They both can do that. But this can telescope and this cannot. This weighs approximately a full ounce less than this one does. And they both have clips. This one's slimmer, but it's longer, and this one's shorter, but it's fatter. I'd like to point out that although this does have the advantage of being lighter weight over my older flashlight and telescopes and has a magnet on both ends, that sort of thing, this one is rechargeable, and the LR44s that go in this are not rechargeable. I haven't looked to see if you can buy rechargeable LR44s or not. I guess I need to look that up, because this will not do what this does, and this pretty much will, other than this won't do the flexible part. Wait, what? It's got a flexible neck. It will flexy. What do y'all think about the advantages and disadvantages of this flashlight compared to this flashlight and this magnetic pickup tool? Good grief, that thing is over 4 pounds. Yeah, not a chance. Oh my gosh. Yeah, soup can's gonna be nothing to this thing after that big socket. Yeah, not even a challenge. Find lots of links to tools and tool reviews in the description below.